Today I'll teach you how to create fire and After Effects. Creating fire and After Effects involves using built-in effects. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to create fire using After Effects. So now, let's use fractal noise or turbulent displace effects. Open After Effects and go to Layer, New, Solid, and create a black solid. This will serve as the base of your fire effect. Name it Firebase. Then hit OK. With the solid layer selected, go to Effects, Noise and Grain, Fractal Noise. In the Effect Controls panel, adjust the following settings. Fractal Type, set to Dynamic Progressive. Noise Type, set to Spline. Contrast, increase to around 300 to 400. Brightness, adjust to get a good balance of light and dark areas around -50 to -100. Complexity, set it to 6. Now, let's animate the evolution. Hit on the triangle on the layer of the solid color to see its properties. Go to Effects, then the Fractal Noise. Set the keyframe for evolution at the start of the keyframe or your preferred choice. Then hit on the clock icon. Move the playhead to the end of the timeline and increase the evolution to around 3 to 5 revolutions to create movement in the fire. Now hit on the arrow to collapse the Properties panel. Let's apply turbulent displace. With the same layer selected, go to Effect, Distort, Turbulent Displace. Adjust turbulent displace settings. Amount, increase to around 50 to 100 to create a wavy fire like distortion. Size, set to around 50. Complexity, set to 6 for finer details. Evolution, animate this over time, similar to fractal noise, to add more dynamic movement to the fire. To do this, just hit the arrow to the turbulence panel, then move the time indicator to where you want the animation to start, then hit on the time icon to create keyframe, then move the time indicator where you want the evolution to end, then adjust the number of evolution to 5. With the layer still selected, go to the Effect, Color Correction, Curves, choose the red channel, and create an S-curve, or just follow the curves on the screen to boost the red turns. Go to Effect, Stylize, and Glow. Adjust the glow radius and glow intensity to make the fire appear more realistic. Then hit the spacebar to preview the fire animation. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.